Do you know that your AI agent could do more than just answer questions? It could even build you an entire marketing campaign, for example, ads, social media assets, localized campaigns, creative variations, and so on, all generated from few simple prompts without ever leaving your AI workspace. That's exactly what we are exploring today with Picsart MCP. One of the biggest problems we all face nowadays with AI workflows is, you guessed it, fragmentation. You brainstorm in one app, generate images in another, write a copy somewhere else, then spend the next 2 hours dragging files across your desktop trying to piece together a lost civilization. So I'm Hype, and let's get into today's tutorial. Roll the intro. First, let's quickly break down what MCP actually means. MCPs are Model Context Protocols, which are essentially a set of standards that allow AI agents like Claude to communicate directly with third-party tools and services instead of relying only on their built-in capabilities. In simpler terms, MCP is the bridge that allows Claude to directly access Picsart's creative AI tools inside the Claude interface itself. And honestly, this is where things start getting really interesting. So let's get Picsart MCP running with Claude. To get started, go to picsart.com/gen.ai-mcp. To install, we have to copy this custom link. Open up Claude, go to Customize, then click on Connectors, click on the plus button, then add a custom connector, name it whatever you want. I'll go with Picsart. Paste the link and then click on Add. See, it's super simple. And just like that, our MCP is now connected to Claude. Now let's go ahead and create a multi-channel marketing campaign for the product launch of this fragrance brand, Nostos. We can create all of the campaign assets inside Claude using Picsart MCP, or we can use a series of Picsart skills. But you might ask, what are Picsart skills? They are a series of commands that teach your AI agent to complete a task from start to finish. A nice little shortcut. On the Picsart MCP page, scroll down, and here you'll see a set of starter skills for different niches. Let's go to Marketer. Here we conveniently have skills for what we need. As you can see, Campaign Kit, Ad Variant Factory, and a localized campaign. Go ahead and download all these 3 skills and then head back to Claude. Go to Customize, then Skills, click on the plus button, create skill, and then upload a skill. Once you've uploaded all 3 skills, Claude will pick out keywords like Campaign Kit or Variant and complete your task. Let's go ahead and start cooking. In Claude, I'm typing in a prompt like this. Generate a campaign kit from this brief below using Nostos bottle image from my desktop. Once you're done, click Submit and let Claude do the work. I need some images for my blog, LinkedIn, Instagram, and X, and all of them with 2 variations. So continue to communicate with Claude because it's going to ask you to approve things depending on your permissions. Looks like it's done. In just a few minutes, I got a set of campaign assets for this product launch. Claude will drop off your assets in your Finder. So let's check them out. Wow, these look amazing. The branding feels consistent, the visual direction matches the luxury fragrance perfectly, and as requested, Claude now created 2 creative variations for each one. And this has already saved me an enormous amount of production time. Next, let's create some ad variants. I have an ad image here that I would like to see some different variations of, changing the headline, the call to action, and the size. So let's head over to Claude and write this prompt. Press Submit once again, answer Claude's questions, and wait for the result. I can't believe my eyes. Look at this. Look at all these variations we got. Now I can confidently schedule them on my social channels and start posting consistently. Finally, let's localize this ad for a few global regions in different languages. Open up the prompt box in Claude and type this. Localize this campaign ad Nostos ad variant 1 PNG across Germany, France, Spain, Portugal, and Sweden. Translate, copy, and swap the scenery to make it local for each region. In 1 minute, I have ready to post localized ads. And as requested, these ads have been localized all with different headlines, scenery, and CTAs. As you can see, in just a few minutes, we've created a whole digital marketing campaign with just a few prompts, all within one workplace in Claude. That's the power of Picsart MCP. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I hope you were able to pick up a few useful tips today from today's tutorial. My name is Haik. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!